That's the way it should be. Say it together naturally. As we go down life's lonesome highway, seems the hardest thing to do is to find a friend or two that help and have someone who understands that when you feel you've lost your way, you've got someone there to say.